I was 35. My life was wrapped around in Saturday, Sundays. That's it. I lived for a Saturday and a Sunday. And that Saturday used to go up, waking up late in the evening, get drunk, Sunday, swear upon God you'll not drink again, and Monday back to office. For my mom, I never grew fat, like till date. I was healthy, plump, pleasantly plump, horizontally challenged. अब वो कहती मेरा बेटा सूजा हुआ है. I was very poor when I was young. My father passed away when I was 4. I started working with very odd jobs. I was door-to-door marketing and working with PVR as a torchman and then Pizza Hut as a delivery boy and a waiter, and then I joined call centers and I went on to become the board of directors there. 16 years it took me there. 16 years. I was 35. I was flying jets. I was flying business class, staying in the most swankiest of the hotels. And what you realize is that when you're middle class and you don't have money, your dreams die first. Because everybody tells you how to live your life. Everybody. And I heard them. I listened to all of them. I bought a house when I was 26. I bought a backup house when I was 28. I bought a backup house when I was 30. I bought a backup house when I was 32. Now I've got 6 flats and 2 villas, but to hell with it. I pay installments and nobody stays there. I used to handle 1,000 people process and I got divorced when I was 31. I couldn't handle one woman. That's a bummer in your life, right? And then I started cursing because I was never the good son. I was never the good son. I was never the son who could get married, hold on to a marriage. I was never the son who could give grandkids. I was never the son who could not smoke because I smoked like a chimney. I was the guy who got tattoos first, got his ears pierced. I was everything that a parent doesn't want. I was the bad thing that happened to good people. I was just one of those bad things that happens to good people. But if I go to Anubhav's place, hey, Anubhav, you want to play? His mother will come in. वो घर पे नहीं है. That is who I was, right? And that's fine. I mean, that's fine. So you get to realize I was never good at anything. I was the last guy to be picked up for batsman, the worst bowler, and pretty much an awesome fielder. Look at me. I was never good in studies. I was smart. I wasn't intelligent. I wasn't academically intelligent. I was very smart. But I was sincere. And then I started realizing, what is next? Like for me, what is next? My boss used to suck the life out of me every single day. Like put a straw in my body, suck the blood. Like in literal sense. I used to come like, sir, please. Choose your khoon mera. And that's fine. Because I wanted to earn money, right? I had all the more I thought about it, the more scared I got. Like, घर के installment and गाड़ी का installment and शराब के पैसे and cigarette के पैसे और शौक मेरे कहाँ से दूंगा मैं जिंदगी के पैसे. I was 35. I did not have 35 beautiful memories about my life. Not one per year. It takes me 1 second to create a memory. 1 minute, 1 day, 1 hour, 1 week, 1 month. I couldn't give that to my life. That is what I was doing. When I was young, I didn't want to be a call center director. This is not what I dreamed of. I wanted to be He-Man. I wanted to be Mithun. Mithun was big then. I never dreamt of these things. At 35, I did not have 35 memories. From 35 to 38, I have millions. If I sleep today and I don't wake up tomorrow, I die a very happy man. A very happy man. That is the difference. The difference was I stopped existing, I started living. I put myself first. So I'm not an entrepreneur. I create laughs, so I'm a laughterpreneur. That's who I am. I put myself first. I stopped being a doormat to everyone. I said, I will stand up, I will make myself happy, I'll go back home, sleep as a happy man. That's all I wanted. Do I have crap in my life now? Absolutely. Does my mother push me to the edge to get married again? Yes. Does she question that am I gay or not? Absolutely. But I have to tell her कि मैं झुक के laces नहीं बांध पाता. Take a minute. I have stopped drinking. I don't drink anymore because I don't need to. I don't need to forget anything. I'm not a bitter guy. I'm happy. You know how amazing it is? There was this quote by Jim Carrey that I've always believed, that everyone should be rich and famous because you should know that is not what it takes to be happy. That is not what it takes. believe me, you can be happy with the dal chawal. It is amazing to be there. It is amazing. And most of us died at the age of 25. We just buried at the age of 75. That's all. Stop doing this to yourself. This is what I heard. This is what I wanted to do. So the question to you is, like if there was a question to myself, and that was the question you should ask yourself. That is one question you should say. If your parents die tonight, if you have a pet, gets hit by a car, your girlfriend cheats on you, husband dumps you, you lose every piece of penny that you ever saved, what is one thing that will make you happy that evening? If you figure that out, run for it. For me, that was a stand-up. 12 days ago, my dog died. 15 years of companion. Somebody who doesn't have a dog will not get it. But I carry him in my heart. Next day, I had a show. I made a mega killer of a show that day. You know what? Because that made me happy. That's what it is. I was never good at anything, and look who's talking on the stage. So eat shit, people. That was it. That's my story. Yeah.